Hello everyone, I'm Debbie Hoppe, Director of Curriculum and Education at Bright Horizons. Welcome to School Age Teaching Essentials. This training will help you to provide the best possible care and education for school-age children and families, and will enable you to be a successful teacher at Bright Horizons. These materials will offer you a visual depiction of key expectations of your role in a school-age classroom. They will help you to implement Bright Horizons practices in 8 content areas. These content areas are providing world-class welcomes, providing world-class departures, conducting effective daily transitions, conducting dynamic meeting times, supporting health and wellness, providing effective documentation for families, developing a sense of self, and developing 21st century skills. As you view these video clips, keep in mind the following. Centers with school-age programs all function in a variety of settings. You may see some differences in environments in the video content. School-age programs exist in Bright Horizons full-service centers, in local elementary schools, in backup programs, and in school-age only programs. All Bright Horizons centers, however, subscribe to the same educational philosophy. Each Essentials module contains an introduction of the key points for a particular content area, a video of the observable skills in action, and a summary of what you just learned, along with the next steps. Here is how you will get started. During your first 6 weeks of work, you will be asked to begin teaching essentials for school age. Your progress through this online program will be automatically tracked on Mary Ann Tocio University. This means the program will make note of how far you have progressed and where you stopped, so you may easily return to the place where you may have paused. Your director will provide you with a job aid with all of the skills on which you will be observed. Please keep the job aid handy as you complete each module. Your supervisor will check in on your progress and coordinate times to observe you in your classroom to see how you demonstrate observable skills in each of the content areas. And together, you and your supervisor can decide how many modules you will be observed on at a time. It could be 1 to several, depending on what works best for both of you. To complete the course, your supervisor will schedule times to observe you in your classroom, check your competencies in each content area by conducting observations of you demonstrating the skills you learned, and then sign off on your successful completion of each module. If improvement is needed in a content area, you will just need to repeat the specific module and be observed again. After successfully completing all modules, you will be provided with a transcript from Mary Ann Tocio University. We wish you the best of luck on your journey at Bright Horizons and hope that this has provided you with some of the tools you will need to be successful.